So far in this series, we've built this VIGI setup step by step. We started with unboxing the NVR and understanding what's inside. Then we installed the SSD and completed the initial setup. After that, we connected our first camera and got it live on the NVR. And then, we scaled things up by adding multiple cameras across the system. So now, our setup is fully working, but it's still limited to local access. What if you want to check your cameras from your phone anywhere?
If you're new here, welcome. And if you're coming back, welcome back. This is Gadgets Pod, tried and tested. All right, let's get this online. In this video, we're connecting our entire VIGI system to the internet. Starting with linking our main PoE switch to the router. Then we'll see how all cameras get their network IP addresses. After that, we'll connect the NVR to TP-Link Cloud and set it up on the VIGI mobile app. We'll also update firmware on both the NVR and cameras. And finally, access everything directly from a browser without a monitor. Step by step, simple and clean. Now let's connect this entire VIGI setup to the internet, starting with the main connection. We'll connect our internet router to the central PoE switch. Take a LAN cable and plug it from the router's LAN port into the uplink port of your central switch. And just like that, your entire camera network is now connected to the internet. Make sure you're using a LAN port on the router, not the WAN port. The WAN port connects your router to the internet, while LAN ports connect your local devices, like your NVR and switch. Now, let's move to the NVR screen. Open the main menu, go into Settings, then go to Network Options. You'll notice the current network status shows connected with no internet access. That means the NVR is connected locally, but not to the internet yet. Under Basic Settings, change the mode to Dynamic. Just select it from the drop-down and click Apply. This allows the NVR to automatically get an IP address from your router. You might see the internet status showing disconnected. Don't worry, that's normal for now. Wait for the network changes to be saved. You'll get a confirmation pop-up showing that the settings are saved. Right after that, you'll see a subnet update window. This shows the original IPs and new assigned IPs for all connected cameras. The status will say unchanged. That's just for reference. To apply these changes, click Confirm. Now, the process of assigning new IP addresses will begin. You'll see each camera getting updated. And once it's done, the status will change from unchanged to changed, confirming everything was updated successfully. Now you can close this window. And if you check the internet status, it will now show connected to internet. That means your NVR is successfully online. Now, we'll download the VIGI app. Go to Settings, then Network, and select Platform Access from the left menu. You'll see two QR codes on the screen. Scan the first QR code using your phone to download the VIGI app. Or you can simply search for it on the App Store and download it directly. Once the app is installed, you'll need to log in. If you don't have an account, create one right there. It only takes a few seconds. Now, let's connect the NVR to the app and your TP-Link account. On the app, tap Add Device. Then, select the QR code option. You can also use Auto Discover or add it manually. But scanning the QR code is the simplest method. Now, scan the QR code. You can find it on the back of the NVR or directly on the Platform Access page on the NVR screen. Either one will work. Once you scan the QR code, the app will detect your NVR. It will then ask you to enter the NVR username and password. This is for verification and to securely link the device.
After that, the NVR will be added to your account automatically, and you'll see it appear in your device list.
With this, your NVR is now connected to the VIGI app and your TP-Link cloud account. And on the NVR screen, you'll see the TP-Link ID status change from unbound to online with your account. Now that everything is connected, let's see what you can do from the VIGI app. Open the app and select your NVR. You'll instantly see all your cameras live on your phone. You can switch between cameras, view them in full screen, or even use multi-view to monitor multiple areas at once. You can also control each camera, zoom in, adjust view, and check recordings. All of this directly from your mobile. No need to be near the NVR. Now, a quick tip. You don't always need a monitor connected to the NVR. Just open a web browser on your computer and enter the NVR's IP address. Log in using your NVR credentials, and you'll get full access to the interface locally. Everything right from your browser. And just like that, your VIGI NVR is now fully connected to the internet. You can access all your cameras, anytime, from anywhere. In the next video, we'll take this setup one step further and show you how to update firmware for both the NVR and cameras the right way. If this video helped you, hit like and consider subscribing for the full VIGI Setup Series. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. This is Gadgets Pod, tried and tested.